What's up, Rated R Cars family? The global semiconductor chip shortage for vehicles, which can be traced back to car makers canceling their orders to suppliers as a result of pandemic-forced factory closures, is expected to drag on through most of 2021, if not longer. I'm calm. I'm in my safe space. Ford has already been forced to build its popular F-150 full-size truck without a fuel management module to help conserve chip stocks, while Chevy has halted Camaro production entirely. The Ford Mustang will soon be next. The Detroit News has confirmed with a Ford spokesperson that the Flat Rock assembly plant in Detroit, Michigan, where the Mustang is built, will be shut down, hopefully only temporarily, during the weeks of May 3rd and May 10th. Ford's North American plants continue to be affected by the global semiconductor shortage, along with other automakers in other industries around the world, said John Savona, Ford's VP of Manufacturing and Labor Affairs, in a note to his employees. The shortages have caused automakers to drop some technological features from different models. For example, Stellantis announced it will soon be scrapping the digital speedometers on at least one Peugeot line. Ford has been selling the F-150 without the fuel management module as a way to cut back on how many semiconductor chips it uses. Porsche, or Porsche if you're a metrosexual, is axing features like an 18-way adjustable seat for the Macan SUV as a way to conserve its chip supply. Aw, poor little Porsche Macan SUV drivers. You're not going to get your 18-way adjustable seats? So let me get this straight, Porsche. My Mustang Mach-E has been on order for like 6 months. It finally just got built and it's somewhere being shipped. Probably passing by Pluto somewhere right now because I'm not going to get mine for another month. Our precious Mustang GTs are stopping production and you're wasting chips on 18-way adjustable seats? 18-way? What's next? A 911 with a built-in waterbed? A gas pedal with a built-in mani-pedi? No, I don't know what a mani-pedi is, and you better not either. But just in case you do, that hurt me more than it did you. Man up! And now that I've got your attention, on a serious note, a few words from Christ himself. To give you a clearer understanding of just how bad the semiconductor chip shortage is damaging global automakers, AlixPartners, a global consulting firm, estimates the entire industry could lose an estimated $61 billion this year alone. That's what happens when around 2.5 million vehicles can't be fully assembled. For now, Ford has not extended the Mustang and other plant downtimes beyond those 2 weeks in May, but don't be surprised if this ultimately happens. Another strategy to deal with the shortages has been for automakers to shut down production lines for vehicles with smaller profit margins. This means many cars like the Ford Mustang, the Chevy Camaro, the Dodge Challenger will see smaller supply. Another example is Daimler shutting down its compact car plant in Germany where 18,500 workers are employed. So instead of pumping out more Mercedes-Benz C-Class vehicles, the company is looking to put what semiconductor chips it has into more expensive model lines so profits don't take as big of a hit. Way to care for your people, Daimler. Fire 18,500 people just so you can focus on bigger profits. This problem is complicated and there's some contradicting information. Some say production shutdowns at semiconductor plants because of COVID-19 has fueled the shortage. So let me get this straight. Plants where everything is spotless and clean, where everybody wears masks and complete body coverings and the air is completely filtered, have been shut down because of COVID-19? Others think it's been the overwhelming demand for computers, gaming consoles, smartphones, smart televisions, etc., as people are spending most of their time trapped at home. And by the way, since the pandemic has likely reduced traffic like 90% with everyone working from home, wouldn't that have stopped the climate change by now, or at least dented it? But no, now you want to get rid of hamburgers? Because, what, cow farts are blowing a hole in the ozone layer? Now you're canceling cow farts? You can't make this stuff up, people. Anyway, Another theory is that suppliers didn't foresee automakers ramping up demand for chips so quickly after plant shutdowns and assembly line reductions last year, so they're scrambling to ramp up production, and that takes time. This comes after demand for at least some new cars has almost exploded, something few saw coming so early after a year of not many people buying. Who couldn't have predicted that after a year of being completely locked up, people might not have wanted to go out and buy some cars and go places? Whatever the cause, this shortage isn't making the situation of rising car prices any better either. Not only are some new vehicles selling for more as a result, demand for used vehicles continues to stay strong. But hopefully by this time next year, this problem will be in the rearview mirror. Get it? In the rear... No! Anyway, share your comments below. Do you think we're entering into a carpocalypse? I mean, why not? Everything else on this planet is burning down around us anyway. That's why we need to band together, brothers. And the 3 girls who actually watch this channel, 2 of which are my mother and sister. Love you guys. Anyway, if you like this new news format with a little bit of jocularity thrown in, then hit the like and hit a comment below. Please check out my Amazon storefront to help the channel. And always remember the motto, always be kinder than necessary, and I will see you guys in the next one. 18-way adjustable seats? Is your little tushy comfortable? Your soft little tushy? Your rotund, buttery little tushy? It's like little hands just cupping your butt cheeks. 18-way adjustable seats? It's like floating on a cloud of white privilege. It's like wiping your tuchus with gold-plated toilet paper. You little poor softies better stop stealing our microchips.